Damn, it's crazy how many things are overhyped these days. What's the deal with that? Let's get it. Elon Musk, overrated. PlayStation, overrated. Round Rock Donuts, not that good. Jaden Animations, kinda fell off. Having a job? Who needs that? Hacker from the Broncos, fire his ass. Mobile game companies, sketchy AF. Stranger Things in general, basic AF. Avatar the movie, more like terrible. What a game about squids, I don't give two shits. Look at this guy with the world's worst take, Jack's dump of the year. Oh, for God's sake, middle child syndrome is real. Oh my god, I hate the Chiefs so goddamn much.